अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बात करेंगे इनकम्प्लीट डुप्लीकेट एपिस्टेसिस के ऊपर। ये वो एपिस्टेसिस का केस है जिसके अंदर आप देख सकते हो कि एक जीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है कलर पिगमेंट के लिए, डार्क कलर पिगमेंट के लिए। सेकंड जीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है इंटेंसिटी के लिए, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द पिगमेंट इन द इंडिविजुअल्स हैज बोथ form of genes are present in dominant form. You can see that where I'm moving my cursor. These individuals have red color. The individuals which have only one gene is dominant, either capital R or capital B small b. So you can see that only one gene is present. That is why these individuals show a different type of color. So हम इसको आसान अल्फाज में इस तरह से इलेबोरेट कर सकते हैं कि वो इंडिविजुअल्स जिनमें बोथ जीन्स प्रेजेंट हैं डोमिनेंट फॉर्म के अंदर, उन इंडिविजुअल्स का कलर डिफरेंट है उन इंडिविजुअल से जिनमें सिर्फ एक जीन आप ये कह सकते हो कि डोमिनेंट फॉर्म में है। सो कोई भी जीन अगर इसके नेम से ज़ाहिर है कि कोई भी एक दूसरे के ऊपर कंप्लीटली डोमिनेंट नहीं है, और फिनोटिपिकली हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर कलर डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से उसकी वजह ये है कि उसमें एक जीन ही डोमिनेंट फॉर्म में है एंड द वन इंडिविजुअल विच हैज़ both genes present in recessive form, so that's why it shows not any type of pigment and as a result do not show any type of color. So it's all about incomplete duplicate epistasis. Now we talk about recessive epistasis. In recessive epistasis, you can see that capital B gene is responsible for the agouti color, or you can say that in simple words, the brown or gray color. But the small a gene, that is the epistatic gene in this case, and we can see that this homozygous recessive gene is affecting the capital B gene, and as a result, no color is produced. So we can see that clearly 9:3:4. So these individuals are produced due to the capital B gene, but the small a means homozygous recessive gene. You can see that in 4 individuals, homozygous recessive gene is present. That's why it shows no color. And in this way, it is deviating from the Mendelian inheritance. This is a very interesting case of epistasis, duplicate recessive epistasis. Another name of duplicate recessive epistasis is complementary gene interaction. In this way, both genes are contributing to a single trait. You can see clearly the individuals which has homozygous dominant form of individuals with both genes are either homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant. You can see that even it is in this case, here I have cursor, small a, you can see that clearly, capital A small a, capital C small c. So we can see that it also shows the purple curve, but the individuals which has only one gene is dominant and other is recessive, it shows different color, and that is white color. So it is a complementary gene interaction in which both genes are responsible for a single trait. Either of gene will present in recessive form produce, and other you can say that color which will not be the color which will be the result of both genes which are in either dominant form, homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant. This is all about the different cases of epistasis. In this way, these genes are, or you can say that these cases are the examples how in nature some cases are deviating from the normal Mendelian inheritance, which is a dihybrid ratio for phenotypes, that is 9:3:1, and these individuals and these cases are deviating from this. I think so it will be very helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time.